Hello everyone, how are you all? In today's video, we are going to learn about different birds. Let's get started. Now this is a duck. Duck is the common name for numerous species that flows in water. They are known as waterfowls because they spend so much time around places with water. They are mostly aquatic birds, mostly smaller than swans and geese. And you know what? They have webbed feet that are actually designed for swimming, and so they waddle because of their feet. Now, what is this in the picture? Yes, it's a baby duck. Or what is a baby duck known as? A baby duck is known as duckling, and a male duck is known as drake, while the female is known as duckling. Now, how does the duck sound? Duck do quack 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 quack, and the duck's mouth is actually called a bill, and they're found in both freshwater and seawater. Let's move on to our next bird. What is this? Yes, it's an eagle. You know, eagles are some of the largest birds. And one really interesting fact about eagle is they have amazing eyesight, up to 8 times stronger than humans. You know what? They can detect prey up to 2 miles away. That means if an eagle spot a rabbit around 3.2 kilometers, he can easily spot it and catch it because their grip is up to 10 times stronger than humans. Yes, a big number, right? And you know how much how much how much weight they can actually lift? They can lift up around 2.2 kgs of weight while flying. Yes, and this is the reason they are found on state flags because they represent courage and freedom and have immense strength and skill. And you know, eagles are really cunning, bold, and intelligent creatures, and they have hooked beak, which is great for hunting. Baby eagle is called an eaglet. Now, our next bird is ostrich. And ostrich is the world's largest flightless bird. You know why they are called flightless? Yes, as the name says, they cannot fly, but they use their wings for cooling and balancing themselves. And you know one more interesting fact about ostrich? They have three stomachs. Yes, right, three. So funny, right? And the natural lifespan of an ostrich is 50 to 60 years. But they will be fully grown like an adult in just 18 months. In 18 months, and a baby ostrich is no more a baby. He's fully grown. Yes. So strange, right? And ostrich can run at a speed of up to 70 to 80 kilometer per hour. Oh my god, this is actually a speed of car at times, right? Yes, that's how fast they can run. And they also have brilliant eyesight as they can see as far as 3.5 kilometers during daytime. Wow. And you know what a male ostrich is called? A male ostrich is called a rooster and female ostrich is called a hen. And a group of ostriches, like you can see in the picture, is known as flock of ostriches. Nice information, right? So keep reading this. This is all for today. Bye bye. Thank you.